Hey guys, it's your girl Denise Brown, Stylist. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button right now, like and leave a positive comment. Today I'm going to be speaking about the art of customer service. The reason I'm going to be speaking about customer service because a lot of people keep on asking me, how did I become a stylist? Now guys, if you work in retail, I would suggest you stay in your job now, because retail is one of the reasons why I'm a great stylist. My first job was at 15 years old. I worked in a discount shop in Kilburn High Road. The shop's not there no longer. Guess how much money I was getting paid? £1.50. Brr. Imagine, I had to stand on my feet for 8 hours. I was getting paid roughly about £12–13 a day, but I was so passionate and I was hungry because not only I wanted to get my own pocket money, I wanted to learn the art of people. I got my job and I was selling household items. I learned about people who, you learn about people's habits, you learn about what people want, you learn about people who don't want. You just learn about different type of personalities, and that's why I really enjoyed working there. Eventually I moved on and then I worked in a shoe shop in Harrow Road. This shop was equivalent to Shoe Express. The shoes would start from £8 up to about £25 the most. They sold women's, men's and kids shoes. It was incredible. I learned not only how to sell these shoes to customers, I also learned how to sell products. Eventually I got into Selfridges. I worked for women's wear. And then with Selfridges, a different kind of clientele. You get, because it was women's high fashion, you get like really snobby people that would be like, hey madam, can I help you? No, I don't need no help. Or you'd be getting people that just ignore you, they're just rude, or you might just get the happy person, but that's just part of retail. Your job is to sell, sell, sell. You can't get offended when people shout at you or they dash the clothes on the floor or mess up the clothes. Your job is there as a sales assistant to make sure that the customers are okay, and at the end of the day, they are purchasing an item, So that's why I believe that retail is important. You get to meet different clients, different cultures, different ages, different figure shapes, different shoe sizes. You meet a whole range of different people who have different tastes, and your job is to create a look for them to wear and sell. So that's part of styling. I work for the Paul and Joe section. What I loved about it, because that section was just for me, I learned about the cuts, I learned about the prints, I learned about the fabrics. I even found out where they got their stuff made from. And with my actual section, I was very passionate about selling my section, because every time when you're at work every day, you have a target that you have to achieve as a team. And that's another thing as well. With retail and customer service, you work in a team. And in the styling world, we work in a team. We work with photographers, hair and makeup. You can even work with art directors, models. And in retail, we have to work for a team of people to achieve a goal. So that's why retail is so important for you to do. So back to my story. So what I would do, the clients, they will come and they'll say, look, I'm going to a party. I'll say, okay, what kind of stuff do you like? And then we'll go through the rails. I'll pick up a few things, whatever suggests, would you like this? This is our new collection. This goes with this. They would either say yes or no, and what I also do, I'll take them around the store, and then we'll pick different items that can go with their actual look, which is styling. Another thing as well, you get to know the customer. So me, being nosy Denise, I'm always like, so what do you do then? And that's another way of networking. So as well as you're in retail, you're networking, yeah? So at the end of the day, when they get the clothes, we go to the fitting rooms. I'm waiting for them, let them know, I'm here, madam. If you need my help, I'm right here. So what you do now, you piece the outfits together, you give them your opinion, but make sure you don't upset them. If you don't like it, don't be direct like, I don't like it. Suggest something else. You say, oh, that's quite nice. I mean, how do you feel about it? Do you feel comfortable in it? If they say no, when you say, okay, I will suggest this look. What do you think about this look? Never tell a customer, I don't like it, because they might like it and you might have lost the store a sale. Another thing to also know about retail, never be direct, work with the customer, and the end goal is to what? Sell, sell, sell. So yeah, so that's the reason why it is so important to work in retail. A lot of people go college or uni, they learn about to be a stylist, but they've never worked with people. And when they're in the real world, they crumble. A lot of people, they look at celebrities and they think, I want to work with her, but then they don't understand the whole method that if you work with a celebrity and they have a crew of yes people, how would you act if they don't like what you have? You see, it's the same thing as retail. The good thing about working in retail is that you get to work with real people, and in the industry, if you do personal shopping, real people. If you do celebrities, real people, but really rich. It gives you a sense of how to make these people feel comfortable, which is a skill that I have, and how to lay out the clothes so they can feel like a queen, basically. So yeah, your job is to make people feel like a queen. Unless you just want to be an editorial stylist and just style models, then that's a completely different job in itself. Guys, I hope you enjoy yourself. Please subscribe, share, like. I'm out. Have a good day, night, whatever time it is. Bye. Pay packet was looking kind of sexy. So when I was nearly 16, I got my first job. Please pick, you know.